Hello and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. This week we are looking at the URL shortener Bitly. Bitly has recently announced some changes to their free plan, and we wanted to alert you to this. A lot of times teachers and people who present to audiences use Bitly because it allows you to shorten a long URL address as well as make a QR code. So let's look at some of the changes that you might see with Bitly. The first is that this is affecting only free accounts, and what happens is that when someone clicks on your Bitly, it might send the person to a preview destination, and on that preview destination will be an ad. Not every time someone clicks on your Bitly will this happen, but it is enough that it may not be suitable for you to use with students, and it may not be something that you want to cause a distraction to people in your presentation. So this is what it might look like when someone clicks on your Bitly. You will get this. This is an example. Down at the bottom is the ad. This particular click is an ad for Bitly. Here in the upper right is the preview of what they're going to be going to. They can click and go directly to the destination, or they can get it redirected with a countdown. So here is a short video to show you what it looks like as a countdown. And it goes automatically to the link. Either way, it can be a distraction to those that are using your Bitly. So with a bit of research, we have landed on using TinyURL. Now, TinyURL does have free plan that allows you to use it in making your shortened URLs, and it allows you to customize the back end. Let's look at the free plan. So you can see here with the free plan, you have 100 link shorteners in a month, and that usually is enough for most people. It also allows you to customize the URL, the back half, which Bitly allowed you to do. It can be nice to do that customization, especially when you want it to be simple or you are using something that is branded for you. It also doesn't have an expiration on any of the URLs that you create, which is very nice. Now, it does not create a QR code. Bitly did that where you got both a shortened URL and a QR code. QR codes are great if you're going to be posting something on your website, or you're going to put it in a presentation for an audience. We've found that Google now has a very quick and easy way of doing a QR code. So let me show you how to use Google Chrome to create your QR code. So I've just gone to the Instructional Technology webpage, and I want to do a QR code for this. You can go to the three dots on Chrome here in the upper right, scroll down until you find Cast, Save, and Share. So if you will hover over Cast, Save, and Share, and then here on the left, click Create QR Code. This gives you the QR code here in the center. You can copy this and paste it into a document, into a web page, or into a presentation, or you can download it and it gives you a PNG file that you can then upload onto your website or a presentation. Creating a TinyURL account is rather simple. When you come to the web page, click Free Account and just enter in your email address and create a password, and then you now have a free account. If you've got questions about using TinyURL to shorten your web addresses and couple that with Google Chrome's QR code generator, please reach out to the Instructional Technology specialist. We would be glad to help you.